Hello guys, my name is Dan. Today I will show you how to get a taskbar like this. As you can see here, just search rounded TB on your Microsoft Store. Now just install it. If you don't want to do that, then you can click the download link in the description below. Be sure to check out the be sure to check the description below. Click get and click install. Once you already install it, the program will automatically run in the back. Will automatically run and start up. To find it, go to your system tray, right click on this black thingy here. Don't uncheck this. It must run and start up, otherwise you have to manually run the program in order to see the effect. So rounded TB. Now as you can see here, you can customize it the way you want. You can click advanced and set the margin manually, adjust it to your taste. Now I don't know what are these three check boxes do. I'm guessing it does something. The corner radius itself is self-explanatory. It basically, what it does is that it will reshape this taskbar corner. After you are done, click apply and then close. Your taskbar should look like this. Anyways, that is it for now guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.